Hi everyone, now I will start talking about the asynchronous call. But here we have three situations. The first one, to work with the asynchronous call, you can configure the timeout which we talked about it before. But here it works with a different way. First, the RTE call for the client port invoked, but till now the timer not started to track the timeout event. And till now there is no request for the result from the server side. And this is the way where the asynchronous call happen. It returns the result but not blocked on it. From the client side, he can continue execute his work and not blocked on the result from the server side, okay? So till now we call the RTE call API from the client side to tell the server please start work and prepare my data and I will get to you later. So after that, at any time, the software code implementer at the client side can use the getResult API. And now for the asynchronous call timeout configuration, we are waiting the result and started already the timer to track the timeout event. If the result returned from the server, okay, that is okay. Or we will wait the second chance to get the timeout event. So this is how the asynchronous call happen with the timeout configuration. The second situation used for the asynchronous call configuration, you can use the polling mechanism. You just trigger the RTE call from the client side to invoke the server to start work and prepare your data. But here there is no timeout configuration, so you will just pull on the result till you get it from the server, okay? The third situation used for the asynchronous call configuration, you can use trigger mechanism. From your embedded system knowledge, if you configure a timer to work, it will generate timer interrupt flag and trigger the interrupt service routine to perform a particular action. This is the same here. The client side at the software component A used the RTE call. Now the server notices that the client triggered it. At this situation, the server side trigger another runnable. How this work? Okay, once the server triggered by the client, the server triggers a callback function to execute another runnable. The server does this to make the runnable perform another work for him. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.